Good afternoon. I am with Mr. Nandan Bhatia, who is head of Britannia Industries for Facilities and Administrative Team. Nandan Bhatia, first of all, congratulations. You have won a leadership award at Facility Management event.
Thank you very much.
And how do you feel about it?
I feel great about it. The hard work which we have been doing for our corporate and for FM fraternity, and this is a time when we have getting a result of that, and it really feels proud. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. I would like to know, when did the journey start as a facility manager or an admin manager? When did this journey start, and what keeps you motivated at this role?
I started journey of facility management and corporate real estate from when I joined HCL Technologies around 10 years back, and handled the entire operations and the infrastructure development of the largest facility at that time of HCL Technologies in Bangalore city, and the end-to-end was looked after in terms of designing, planning, execution and so on. And not even that, there was also a great opportunity when we have interacted directly with our clients, where IBM and the Rockwell Collins and Microsoft were our clients for HCL, and they have done the entire internal due diligence in terms of infrastructure audit. They have gone in very much in detail, and that's how we understand that how critical it is for an organization to grow with respect to the infrastructure, which has to be great, which has to be in line with the requirement of the clients.
Okay. One thing, I always see you in all these networking forums or facility award winner, and you are one among the smartest, handsome facility managers. So how do you maintain yourself?
Yeah, thank you very much. Though there is a lot of work pressure, but it's very important that we have to take care of our health also. And there is a concept which is work-life balance. So I ensure that I complete my task in the evening at around 8 to 9 o'clock, and then subsequently hit the gym and at least work out for 1 hour with respect to abs and other related exercise, and that keeps me going. And at the end of the day, what's important is be motivated and keep doing well. That's important concept.
Everyone has some aspiration, someone to look upon, and some mentors to guide them. So who is that person, or is there a group of people?
There are a lot of great people whom I have worked with who have really made me a different personality with respect to getting the leadership qualities, and one certainly I cannot miss is Mr. Hari Marar, whom I have worked with in the ITC Hotel Windsor Sheraton Towers, who's currently the president of the Kempegowda International Airport, Bangalore, and a lot of learning with respect to eye for detail and respect to values and so on. Recently I was working with Mr. Shrikant Arimantaya, who's the currently managing director in CSC, and he was my mentor in Britannia Industries, whom I have worked very closely with respect to streamlining the processes and other various policies and procedures, and connecting to the business and taking business to the next level. And so those are a couple of people whom really I can never forget in my life. And last not the least is your family support, which is very, very critical. And otherwise it's the entire FM fraternity, which I am connected with the fraternity to take fraternity to the next level. That's the need of the hour. FM is going to take a next role in the business going forward. That's what my motivation factor is.
Tell us a little bit about your hobbies.
My hobbies, obviously, I enjoy interacting with people where I can create difference, where I can make my presence meaningful. That's one of the important point. And second point is my hobby is working towards environment and sustainability. I think we are supposed to give back to our society also, to our community also. So what do you do in terms of giving back to them? And I think that is something which keeps me rolling. And in Britannia we have initiated a project of solid waste management, through which we have created a lot of ripple effect, and we are taking to the next level in the other organization also. And apart from that, sports are also some of the sports which I really enjoy as a hobby. I use that in a various timelines.
I see a lot of many young people coming and taking up facility management as an assignment, or manager as a role play. What is that one advice you'd like to give them for a long run?
I think I would like to certainly give the advice with respect to developing the core values in an individual. When I talk about core values, it's about leadership, it's about ownership, it's about accountability, it's about sense of urgency. I think in a FM we need a lot of that. And there's always a saying, when values are there, which values drives behavior, and your behavior drives action, and action drives results. I think that is something which is very, very critical as a need of the hour for the organization to take FM to the next level. And to all the young students and young fraternity of FM, I would like to suggest this particular point, certainly.
I see your work and your family and your gym, a lot of things which you do very disciplinedly. So how do you keep yourself updated with what is happening new in the industry?
Yeah, so what I do is I have recently become the board member of Infra also, and where we are sharing the knowledge through various journals, through various sessions, conferences, and we are connecting with the people, we are connecting with the conferences, we are connecting with the leaders in the organizations, and we keep meeting them and understanding the need of the hour of the business. I think that is very, very critical. So what is more important is the networking. While you are sitting in front of a TV and going through the news and so on, but what is more important is to connect with people, understand the current need of the hour, current need of the country, current need of the organization, and then accordingly plan the action through the various corporate strategic initiatives.
Thank you, Nandan. I'm sure with your inputs, fraternity gonna benefit a lot, and we look forward for more such interviews. Thank you.
And daily office supplies.
Hi, my name is Gautam. I'm the founder of Neosystem. We help more than 500 plus companies go green and do water conservation.
If you watched this interview and you really liked it, you should visit www.fmwalloffame.com to watch several more interviews like these.
Do not forget to like, share and comment.